Hi, this is Lisa from Auto-Sali. This is our OBD 4G GPS tracker. Track and Pipe is our new product. It can be used in many industries, such as vehicle management, logistics tracking, traffic management, and so on. Compared with OBD 2G, OBD 4G not only has fast information transmission speed, but also has a longer standby time. It can be applied to any car model. This is quick and apply, no need to install wiring, just connect to the OBD interface in the car, and you can use it very convenient. At the same time, OBD 4G has a low power alarm function. When the OBD is removed from the vehicle, it will be in a low voltage state. OBD will send an alarm and will be in a standby time status at the same time, which is convenient for real-time tracking, and this is an anti-slip function. This is a small hole here. You can see this is built-in microphone, which has the function of the monitoring and the recording. Help us better protect asset or issue over owner personal safety. If you like my videos, please subscribe us. We will continue to update last information on our product. If you have any doubts, please contact us. We are Auto-Sali, your best GPS tracker expert.